Hi everyone, and welcome back to a series on speech and language development. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful tools we have for supporting our child's communication journey: play. Play is not just fun and games, it's how children learn, explore, and make sense of the world around them. And when it comes to the speech and language development, play is absolutely essential. Through play, children learn new words, practice using language in different contexts, and develop crucial communication skills. The great thing about play based learning is it doesn't require any fancy equipment or expensive toys. You can use everyday objects and routines as opportunities to connect and communicate with your child. Let's talk about some simple strategies you can incorporate into your daily life. Narrate your day. Talk to your child about what you're doing, even if they are not talking to you yet. For example, while you're making breakfast, you might say, "Mummy is making dosa for breakfast." Yummy! This helps expose your child to language and teaches them about the world around them. Follow your child's lead. Pay attention to what your child is interested in and join in their play. If they're stacking blocks, you might say, "Wow, that's a tall tower. Can you make it even taller?" By following their lead, you're showing them that you value their interests and creating opportunities for meaningful interaction. Use gestures and facial expressions. Non-verbal communication is just as important as verbal communication. Using gestures like pointing, waving, and clapping, along with exaggerated facial expressions, to help your child understand what they are saying, to encourage them to communicate back. Sing songs and rhymes. Music and rhythm are powerful tools for language learning. Singing songs, reciting nursery rhymes, and playing musical games with your child. This helps them learn new words, practice different sounds, and develop a sense of rhythm and rhyme. Read books together. Reading aloud to your child is one of the best things you can do to support their speech and language development. Choose books with colorful pictures and engaging stories. Point to the pictures as you read, ask questions, and encourage your child to interact with the book. Create opportunities for social interaction. Play dates with other children, even if they are just simple play sessions at home or in the park, can help your child develop social communication skills. Encourage them to take turns, share toys, and engage in pretend play. Use routines as opportunities for communication. Meal times, bath times, and bedtime routines are all great opportunities to connect and communicate with your child. Talk to them about what you are doing, ask questions, and sing songs. These everyday routines provide a predictable and comforting context for language learning. Be patient and responsive. Learning to communicate takes time and practice. Be patient with your child and celebrate their successes, no matter how small. Respond to their attempts to communication, even if they are not perfectly clear, and show them that you value their efforts. Remember, the goal is not to turn play into a therapy session. It's about creating fun, engaging, and meaningful interactions that nurture your child's communication naturally. Now, I know that some days it can be challenging to find the time and energy for playful interaction, especially if you are juggling work, household chores, and other responsibilities. But even small moments of connection can make a huge difference. Try incorporating these simple strategies into your daily routines, even for just 15 to 20 minutes at a time. You might be surprised at how much your child's communication skills blossom with this little bit of focused attention and playful interaction. In our next video, we will discuss when it's time to seek professional help and how to navigate the world of speech therapy. Until then, keep playing, keep talking, and keep celebrating those precious moments of connection with your child.